Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload GoPro videos to Quik app. So let's get straight into it. Now first thing is you need to be connected with your Quik app to the GoPro, and then when you are connected you will see here view media. Okay, so done and connect. This way you can then uh, download or add videos from the GoPro to your Quik app. So I need to wait a little bit here, a few moments. Now here you can see that I have two videos. So if I long press on one of them and then hit download, I will now download it from basically transferring media from GoPro to the Quik app. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can upload GoPro videos to Quik app from your GoPro. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next